In this video, I will show you how to add funds to Google Play account. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open Google Play on your phone and then simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then the next step is to simply go to payments and subscriptions. Now here, as you can see, you have different options. So if you want, you can redeem a code, a gift card, and then basically this money will be added to your account, and then you can use this balance to buy games or pay for subscriptions, or you can simply go to payment methods, and then here you can add a credit or a debit card, and basically when you try to buy something off Google Play, they're gonna take money from that credit or debit card. Now there is another way to add funds to your account, so make sure to watch until the end. So as you can see here, you can add cash to your Play balance, so your Google Play account. Now as you can see, this works only if you're located in any of the countries listed below. So you have Japan, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Mexico. So in order to buy this credit with your bank account, well, as you can see, this works only in Indonesia. So you're gonna have to simply open the Google Play Store app, and at the top left tap the menu button, then go to payment methods, and then simply tap on buy Google Play credit. Then simply choose an amount and tap OK, and as you can see, you're gonna receive a virtual account number as payment code. As you can see, make payment using the code with your banking app, internet banking, or through ATM machines. So here you have the list of banks. Now if you want to buy, as you can see here, another way, and basically this works in these countries, not only in Indonesia, so you're gonna have to simply do the same process, and then you're gonna have to select a store, and if this is your first time, add your name and postal code, and then tap get payment code, and then you're gonna have to simply go to any of these stores, and then you're gonna have to simply show them that code and give them that money, and then you're gonna receive the money directly into your Google Play account. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.